How to play on your Cake application. Hello everyone, welcome. In this video which I will tell you how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So first you need to open your Cake application like this, and after this you will just come here to your profile page. You will find like there is some games here or just some lesson. You will click on play, for example, for this video, and right now you will play and find watch that video in your history. And yeah, so here you will, as you see, you will answer the question, and here you will find like the subtitle on French. I don't know how it called it on English, and here what how you can play. So that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, our channel. See you in another video.